clear signs. A woman wants to sleep with you or have sex with you. Women are complicated human beings, and just when you feel that all is going well and you understand her completely, they can totally surprise you. With just the opposite, you might feel that a woman is attracted towards you and is showing signs that she wants to sleep with you. But before you make any forward moves, you have to confirm on a few surefire signs before you make a complete fool of yourself in front of her, offend her, or become a laughingstock in front of her. Gang women lick their lips when you are looking at them directly to invite you for sex. This is an open invitation and a surefire sign that she wants to sleep with you. She licks her lips to seduce you and make you imagine what it would be like to do so yourself. A very provocative gesture, this one needs no words to confirm. Women touch you in intimate places to give you signals. Now this calls for a really bold move. If you find the woman touching you in your intimate places, either accidentally or on purpose, then you're sure coming in someone's wet dreams often. Don't forget to look at her eyes when she touches you on your chest. They may be inviting you. Her pupils will dilate and she will give you knowingly looks. She might touch you on your thighs and just mumble an "oh, sorry," smiling all the way. It could mean something else, buddy. Women will often look at your lips. If a woman is interested in sleeping with you, she might look at your lips often to fantasize or dream of the moment you actually kiss her. She might be looking at your lips to imagine that wonderful feeling of touching you and kissing you. She might also do so to give you signs and invitations. Older married women might also show signs of sexual interest. Do not think that older married women will never show such signs of sexual interest. You never know what their sex life with their spouses is like. Maybe they are not satisfied with their sex life and want to sleep with you. Older married women, in fact, may show more signs of sexual interest and may do so rather boldly. They have done it a number of times and know about the pleasures of sex rather too well. If sex is on their mind, women will invite you inside their houses. If she invites you to her house for a cuppa, beware. She might have other intentions in mind. Which place other than a cozy bedroom is better for sex? She might invite you home for some casual talk, having sex on her mind all the time. Women will keep mentioning sex in their conversations. A woman trying to give you hints will bring sex every now and then in her conversations with you. This is a form of slow teasing and seduction. Most of us picture a sexual act in our minds on hearing the term sex. Women interested in sex with you will wear provocative clothes in front of you. A woman who wants to sleep with you will try to seduce you wearing sexy outfits. She wants to show you her sexy curves and get your imagination running with her sexy figure. Perhaps you could compliment her. A passionate goodnight kiss at their doorsteps is one of the surest signs that women want to sleep with you. If a woman gives you a passionate goodnight kiss at her doorstep after you have just dropped her from your dinner date, then probably she wants to sleep with you too. Your night with your date doesn't end their mate. Take some cues and go inside with her. A woman tell you that she misses good sex. If a woman tries to engage you in conversation about her boring sex life, she might be trying to tell you that she likes sex, and you might be just the one to give her the best sex of her life. Go on ahead and play some mind games with her to hook her to your conversation until you get quite sure of her intentions. Women use sensuous tones to talk to you, to give you signs that they want to sleep with you. Does her tone become strangely sensuous when she talks to you? She is seducing you, all right. Seduction in a woman's tone is one of her best weapons to woo someone, and her soft and sensual tone might get you in the mood instantly. Women who have sex on their mind will whisper a lot in your ears. They whisper in your ears to give you a whiff of their perfume. It does get tough to concentrate on whatever she is trying to say at that time. An accidental peck on your ears, and she might even blow softly in your ears. This act gets any man horny instantly. Older married women might confide into you that her partner doesn't have sex with her anymore. If she is cribbing to you about how unhappy she is with her non-existent sex life, then it might be a direct invitation to you to satisfy her sexual cravings. This is hardly a topic one would discuss with someone they have got nothing to do with, or with someone who is just a good friend. If you find her hot too, then go on with your sexual fantasies with her. You can't go wrong with this one. Do you often find her staring at you and then giving you that obvious knowing or sexy look? Eyes are a wonderful medium to convey our heartfelt desires. Grab the cue before it's too late. Hugging you often might be a sign of wanting to sleep with you and have sex with you. She does it so often just to make you feel her curves, get the whiff of her pheromones, smell her perfume, and imagine what it would be like to see her without the barrier of clothing. There is a small line between a friendly hug and a passionate hug. Try and judge for yourself which kind of hug do you from her. Women discuss personal details with you a lot if they want to sleep with you. She might end up discussing her periods, the last time she waxed, or the increasing size of her bra cups. Nobody, obviously, would do that with just another friend. What is she trying to convey? Women who want to have sex with you will ask you details about your routine, as they might want to get clear on the logistics. A woman who wants to sleep with you tonight might want to know how you spend time on the weekends. What is your routine on Saturday mornings? When do you wake up, and who's there at your house, and things like that? She might be planning some logistics if she plans to spend the night with you at your place, and she wants to make sure that you are completely free. You might find it weird if someone asks you such personal details, but she surely has something going on in her mind. An older married woman might get too candid about sex talks with you. She might discuss things like the missionary position or the girl on top, and also debate about which one is her favorite. She is doing so to let you know that she is great in bed and can give you the time of your life. Sexting or chatting dirty are one of the signs showing that a woman wants to sleep with you. If she sends you all kinds of horny forwards or indulges in sexting with you, then it's an obvious sign. Maybe you could easily take the lead from there yourself. A woman who is showing interest in sleeping with you will praise you often about your body, great physique, and firm abs. Perhaps she wants to touch you to get to know your perfectly chiseled body better. Women will invite you to their bedroom after a casual cuppa if they want sex and want to sleep with you. Okay, so after much persistence, you did go to her house over a cup of coffee. But now she wants to show you her bedroom. Why? You have got to be a fool if you do not take the hint. Oh my, did you just see her entire cleavage? Does she try to bend a lot in front of you in the guise of searching for something on the ground? Has the length of her skirt become too short suddenly? What is she trying to imply? Now that there is very little left to the imagination, maybe you could move further and make the first move yourself. Lately, you have been really hooked onto her new perfume, which she seems to be wearing a lot. Is it a male-seducing pheromone? Women will let you know that they are alone and free over the weekend if they want to sleep with you. She might want to make sure you know that she is all free and alone over the weekend. This is an indirect invitation for you to sleep with her. There would be no one to disturb you. She loosens up her front shirt buttons to invite you for sex and to sleep with her. An always prim and proper woman now suddenly dresses up provocatively. Whenever you meet her, you find the first 2 buttons of her blouse loose. She wants you to have a real good look at her good body. Women have silent weapons to kill any man without touching them. Taking it forward, she might soon invite you over a special dinner at her place. Lovely food, great music, vintage wine followed by. A woman who has a sexual interest in you can send you many obvious signals. If your lady love is showing you even 10 of the above-mentioned signs, then she clearly wants to sleep with you. If you enjoyed watching this video, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay healthy and safe. Thank you for watching.